1 year ago, I made a risky decision, and it paid off. I'm talking 100% return on investment in just 12 months. No crypto, no lottery, no meme stocks, just strategy. Let me break it down so you can learn from what I did and maybe even do it better. I started with $5,000. It wasn't my entire savings, just money I could afford to invest aggressively. I was tired of letting it sit in a bank earning pennies, so I decided to take some calculated risks. I set a goal, double it in a year. Ambitious? Definitely. Impossible? Not if you play it smart. Here was my strategy in one sentence. Go all in on high-growth assets, but with research and discipline. I split my $5,000 into 3 parts: 60% in tech growth stocks, 30% in small-cap ETFs, 10% in cash reserves to buy dips. I wasn't trying to day trade. I wasn't chasing trends. I just believed in the long-term potential of certain companies. My biggest winners? Tesla and Nvidia. I bought Tesla after a dip, and it skyrocketed. Same with Nvidia. I believed in AI before it became a buzzword. My ETF picks gave me exposure to dozens of small-cap companies. Some did horribly, but a few exploded and more than made up the difference. Remember, it's not about picking only winners. It's about positioning your portfolio to give you a chance at outsized returns. Now I made plenty of mistakes. I sold too early on a few stocks. I ignored warning signs on others. And I definitely let emotions cloud my judgment once or twice. But every mistake was a lesson, and luckily, the wins outweighed the losses. Here's what I learned. Always do your research, not just follow hype. Set clear goals, and review your strategy regularly. Stay in your risk comfort zone because panic selling kills returns. And most importantly, don't try to copy someone else's strategy blindly. Understand why it works. Would I do it again? Absolutely. But this time, I'd be more diversified and maybe a bit less greedy. Doubling your money is great, but keeping it is even better. If you're watching this thinking, I only have $100 to start. Perfect. Start with that. Because it's not about how much money you have, it's about how consistent and smart you are with it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world investing stories and tips, and drop a comment. What would you invest in to double your money?